The dual launch tower advantage of SpaceX's Starship. Imagine a future where space travel is as common as air travel. SpaceX's Starship is making that dream real. Instead of one, Starship utilizes 2 launch towers. Why 2? Let's dive in. The first tower aids in spacecraft assembly and testing. It's like Starship's ground crew, ensuring all systems are go. The second tower has a different role. It's equipped with a giant mechanical arm to catch the spacecraft upon re-entry. This is revolutionary. This dual tower setup isn't just for show. It optimizes turnaround times, allowing more frequent, efficient launches. With these towers, SpaceX is revolutionizing space travel, making it safer, faster, more accessible than ever before. So, next time you see Starship's 2 towers, remember, they represent a future where space is open to us all.